Hello friends, welcome everybody. In this video, I will solve some question about on foundation chemistry. If you know that I continue a series about on foundation chemistry. In this series, I solve various type of basic chemistry question and also provide subtopic regarding our subject theory question, theory topic also. So on this video, I will tell you or discuss you some important practice question on basic chemistry or foundation chemistry. So before start the video, I request you, if you not appreciate this video, please comment what you need and also share yours younger brother and young ones. Okay, so let's start this video. See this, today I solve some question about on metal and non-metals. So our first question is multiple choice question with one correct answer. The non-metal with lustrous property. Even know that the non-metal with lustrous is diamond or iodine. So not sulfur, not phosphorus, not boron. Answer is iodine. Okay. So our answer is option number 4th, iodine. First question is answer iodine. Yes. Before I explain this answer, you note and copy note this answer in your pen and copy in your copy using pen and paper. After the video, how much you write answer this question, comment below. Okay, our second question is the metal with low melting and boiling point. See this option: first is zinc, second gallium, third iron, fourth is calcium. So our right answer is option number 2, that is gallium, because zinc, iron, calcium are solid in the state, but gallium is liquid at room temperature. So generally liquid have low boiling point and melting point than solid. So our answer is option 2, gallium. Going to next question, multiple choice question, more than one answer is correct. Question number 3 is which of the following elements are metals? Very simple question. See this, mercury is a metal and Au plus aurum is a gold. So option 1 and 4 is correct. Fluorine is a gas non-metal. Chlorine is also a non-metal. So right answer is option 1 and option 4. Going to next question, question number 4. Which of the following character properties of metal? So first option is malleability. Yes, this is a property of metal. Sonority. Yes, this is a property of metal. Ductility. Yes, is a property of metal. High boiling point. Okay, this is also property of metal. So more than correct answer question A, option 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these above are correct. All answers are correct. Okay. Going to next question, that is question number 5. Which the following element are luxurious? See this. Okay. Magnesium not luxurious nature. Sodium not luxurious nature because they are very reactive elements and they are present inside the kerosene liquid. Generally graphite is a used in pencil is a luxurious nature, and iodine also non-metal is solid in state luxurious nature. So 5 question answer is option 3 or 2. Option 2 and 3 is the right answer. Okay. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a characteristic property of non-metal? Which of the following is not a character of non-metal? Malleability, yes, this is not a character of non-metal. Ductility, yes, this is not a property of non-metal. Sonority, yes, this is not a property of non-metal. Low density is a property of non-metal. Low density is a property of non-metal. So our answer is option 1, option 2 and option 3. Okay, see this, 1, 2, 3 is our answer because these are property of metal: malleability, ductility and sonority. Low density is a property of non-metal, but our question is which of the following is not character of non-metal. Okay, going to next question, which of the following element are non-metal? Very simple question. Basic idea about bromine, yes, is a liquid, that is a non-metal. Nitrogen is a non-metal. Oxygen is non-metal, but zinc not a non-metal. Zinc is a solid or metal. So our answer is again 1 2 3. Okay, so these are the foundation question or basic chemistry. Basically class 8th 9th 10th 11th student are also referred to view this video. Okay, going to next question, that is question number 8. Which of the following elements are metalloids? Okay, basically we know that there are 7 metalloids in the periodic table. So sodium not a metalloid, is a metal. Germanium is a metalloid. Arsenic is a metalloid. Tellurium is a metalloid. So option number 2 3 4 is our answer. Okay, because these are metalloids. Going to next question, that is question number 9. It is a statement argument question. First option, all of the statement are correct. Second option, all of the statement are incorrect. 1 and 2 are correct, but 3 is incorrect. Why 1 and 2 is correct, but 3 is correct. Okay, see this after the question reading, you read this. Statement 1, diamond is hard. Yes, बिल्कुल सही. Diamond is hard in nature. Diamond is hard. Graphite is good conductor of electricity. Yes, this is also true. Bromine is liquid at room temperature. Yes, option 3 is all of the statement are correct. So our answer is bromine is ठीक है. All of the answer are correct. So our answer is first option 1. Okay, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 are correct. So our answer is option 1. All of the statement are correct. Okay, going to next question, that is question number 10. All metal are solid except mercury. Yes, right. Mercury is a liquid metal at room temperature. Yes, right. Metal are malleable nature. Yes, again 3 statements are correct. So our answer is again option 1, that is all of the statement are correct. Okay, going to next question, that is question number 11. Okay, question number 11. Statement 1 is metal make ringing sound when hit. Yes, that is right. Metal are sonorous in nature. Yes, that is always reflected in the light, so sonorous in nature, produce ringing sound. Generally metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. Again these are also right. So 3 statement is right. So our option is first option, all of the statement is correct. Okay, going to last question, that is matching type question. In question number 12, basically matrix matching type question. Generally first column giving element name and second column give its symbol also. Okay, so first option sodium symbol is Na. If you know that arsenic symbol is As. See this, cadmium symbol is Cd. Neptunium symbol is Np. See this, A is 3, A3, A3, 1 option. Option 1 is right answer. Single option is present. A is 3, B is 2, C is 4, D is 1. See this carefully. Again match your mind. Pause the video and match this question. Sodium and its symbol. Arsenic, its symbol. Cadmium, its symbol. Neptunium and its symbol. Last question type, integrated type question. Dash number of gaseous non-metal are present in the periodic table. Till the present, total number of element is 1118. In that 17 element are non-metal. After that 19 element is 92 element around is metal, and 6 5 it is 91, it is something is 17 6 and 91. These are the element number. So our answer is 17 our answer. 17 our number of gaseous elements or non-metals present in the periodic table. Sorry, total number of element gases is 17. Okay, after that two solid and metal, iodine and carbon is present. Okay, so answer is 17. Gallium melt at 0 degrees Celsius. Generally gallium is a liquid, very few degrees Celsius it is melt. So basically it is around 50 to 60 degree around it is melt. Exactly answer is not known by me. So this is for you. Search this question and give in comment. So these are some questions about foundation course or foundation chemistry series. I hope you appreciate this video and share your friends much more as much possible. So thank you for watching. In that way, see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.